The Benescent system is built on an integrated engineering vision. It begins with precise laboratory research and rigorous scientific analysis, and culminates in the construction of high-performance facilities designed to meet the strict requirements of military and industrial sectors. At the core of this vision lies lightweight concrete based on pumice stone, an advanced structural solution that combines strength, reduced weight, and high efficiency. Within engineering laboratories, the components of the Benescent system undergo a comprehensive series of advanced tests. These tests are conducted to verify the real-world performance of materials before they are deployed in active projects. They include compression and bending tests to evaluate load-bearing capacity, as well as thermal and acoustic insulation tests to ensure a safe, comfortable interior environment. Additional testing assesses durability and resistance to environmental factors such as humidity and extreme temperatures. The results confirm that pumice-based lightweight concrete achieves an ideal balance between structural strength and low weight, a balance that directly translates into faster construction timelines and higher efficiency, particularly in military housing projects. In soldier accommodation applications, the Benescent system stands out as a practical and reliable solution, meeting core military requirements: speed of deployment, reliability, and safety. Lightweight concrete reduces structural loads on foundations, accelerates installation and construction processes, and enhances thermal performance across a wide range of climatic conditions. It also provides high levels of fire resistance and sound insulation, contributing to greater comfort and safety for personnel during daily use. Soldier housing units designed with the Benescent system are engineered for rapid deployment without compromising structural durability or long-term sustainability. This makes them suitable for permanent or semi-permanent use across diverse military environments. What truly distinguishes Benescent is its systematic transition from laboratory research to real-world implementation. Every structural component is tested, analyzed, and refined before being approved for on-site use, ensuring the highest standards of quality and safety. The Benescent system represents an advanced model of modern construction, where rigorous scientific research meets fast, efficient execution to deliver reliable structural solutions using pumice-based lightweight concrete, capable of serving military and other critical facilities with long-term efficiency and performance.